What's good, you guys? Day 38. I'm on the ball. I know the day. Usually I don't even know the day. So I'm going to make sure that I screen record today. Really frigged that up yesterday with the no screen record thing, but that's okay because we are going to screen record this one. Anyways, I'd say we'll get right into it because 9 minutes till market open. So really, we're gonna see. Oh, hold on. Oh my God. We're just gonna see what we can find. You know, a right setup, not a setup, but just what market's looking like. Hold on, let's get it up. Come in, shift 5. Record. It's going now. Now, is it actually recording? Yes, it is. So, let's get into it quick just in case, because I don't think I have any storage. So yesterday, this is the trade that I wanted to take. You see this here? We're in that fair value gap. We strongly wicked out of it and closed in it, but we did get a closure out of it. So I wanted to take this trade down to this fair value gap. I think it seemed like that was the play yesterday. And now we dipped into this fair value gap, and now we're on a run. Maybe I could take a trade, but the problem is we've got a bearish fair value gap here. We've got a bearish one here that it seems like we're wicking out of. So there'd be no reason to take that trade because we don't know where price wants to lead to. Maybe we can disrespect these and get something out of this. Now, if we get something out of this, that would be cool. Then maybe we can take that trade. Because our bias, we gotta get our bias. Go to the 4 hour. I'm pretty sure it's bearish still. Yeah, we're still on we broke structure here. But then we pulled back down. Now looks like we're kind of going back down. So yeah, if we can get this push up here, maybe a reaction, then we can trade that. But let's mark out our session high. All right, we have Asian there, Asian open there. We've got London open, and here we have, this was yesterday. Let's fix that. All right, Asian open is here. We've got London open right here, and New York open will be pretty soon. But the problem is, I don't even know what the problem would be. Look at news. Look what we got today. Oh my God, NFP. I don't even know what to say. We got NFP today. So we're going to have to wait till after 10 a.m. to trade. That's why I'm doing this so close to market open, because I'm not trading before 10 a.m. Because I could be in trade, then could take till 10, we hit here, or whatever we do, and game over. But what we can do is mark out let's get rid of these. I don't need these here. Is this still going? It is. Okay, good. These can go. I need these. So we've got Asian session high right here. So that's our Asian high. We need our, sorry, I'm actually going to do this a little different because there's got to be a better way of, like, if I used like this, like that's I don't think it's very level. It's still not very level. I don't know if that's level or not. Hold on, let's try it again. That's level. It doesn't look level. Whatever. So we can write Asian session high. Yeah, look at that. I think I like that better. So there's that, and there's our There's our Asian session low. What if I did it like this? Asian session low. So we got our Asian high and our Asian low. Then we can look at our London. So far we've got London opening here. London opens here. We didn't quite take out the low, but we're pushing up now. Maybe New York opens. We could really take out these highs and then dip back down. It really just depends. I don't like the color of that. Let's change the text color. Nah, a little darker than that. A little darker than that. That's better. We'll do it that color. So we got our Asian session high, Asian low. And now we just wait. So that's our swing low and our swing high. This is our buying liquidity and our selling liquidity. So we can see that price right now is pushing up towards selling liquidity. So maybe we can see some type of push down to take out this. Or sorry, we can get some type of push down. It's actually pretty cool. Swing low to swing high, kind of equilibrium. That's our swing high. That's our swing low. This is purely all this here. Even this here is. Can I type on this? I guess I could just write it myself. That goes so long. That's our selling liquidity. I don't even want to write that. And this is our buying liquidity. So this is our markouts for today. Now, we can wait for some type of sweep on something. Because that's our high and that's our low. It's our Asian high and our Asian low. So market does open in 2 minutes. But I'm not trading today until after 10 a.m. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a walk, 30-minute walk, just get ready. I'll come back and I'll have a look. And I'll come back to see you guys later. And we'll just see how charts develop and see if I make a trade. So yeah, you take care. I'll see you at the charts later. All right, guys. Damn, she's still doing No trade. No trade. No trade. Hold on, let me make this look proper. Yeah, we didn't trade today. Crazy. The patience I had today was actually fucked. Something that I didn't think that I was able to do. I kind of want to show you. So we're gonna get into it. I'm actually gonna show you exactly what went through my head today. I haven't done that one in a while. It's going now. Okay. So you can kind of see what happened here. This is crazy, by the way. That's a fair value gap as well. Obviously, we're on the higher time frames because it's where all the power is held. So we're actually going to go with the 4 hour here. And I'll just show you. We'll go on the 1 hour so you can see every time frame or every session, kind of. So you can see Asian session, we made a lower low, we made a swing low to swing high. Okay, perfect. London, we kind of pushed through. And then we said, fuck it. This here was NFP, which is news. I'll show you exactly what it is. Hold on, let me refresh. This right here. I think it's that. Yeah, it is. Actually, hold on, let me look. MMB. I don't know why they call it that, to be honest. Anyways, that's what that was today. It was major news, and it just, phew. And let's look at the US dollar. shot it right down. So the cool thing is, actually, we had that big shoot down, but then we had that revise up, where I thought we were going to keep going up and find our way back. We hit a fair value gap. No, it's not. No, it's not. Sorry, there's not one here. So yeah, there's no need for it to go back up. But this is a fair value gap itself. We dipped into it, basically, and just shot right back down. But I thought we were going to keep going up. That's why I kind of waited for gold. So this was today. We were in every second today. We were in a fair value gap, rejected out of it. This is 1 hour. This is 2 hours. This is 3 hours. This is 4 hours. This is 5 hours. This is 6 hours. I waited 6 hours of that shit. Strong rejections, but small wick, small candle bodies. So I decided, you know what? No, let's not take that trade here. I was going to take it here because we had a closure out of the fair value gap, which would have been fine. My take profit was here, though. Would have been there. Want to know why I would have been there? Because if you scroll in, it wasn't a 4 hour. Yeah, because there was no fair value gaps going on here. The closest was here. So I was thinking we were just going to push down to here at least, and then we're probably going to go back up again. So it's kind of internal liquidity is what I was trading. But you can see here that we had generated this fair value gap. So whenever market opens on Monday, we'll see what happens. Maybe we dip into here, come back up into this fair value gap and start going down again, or we'll just keep going up. I don't know why we look for shorts now, because we're just pushing through. So really, we can see what happens. Maybe we can find our way back up here. I don't know, but we took that big dump. It really just depends. But that's why I didn't trade today, is because I completely fucking waited, and patience helped me out big time with this, with the charts today. And I didn't think I was going to do it, to be honest with you. I really wanted to put in trade just so I could trade today, but that's terrible. So yeah, basically at the end of the day, this went well. And you can see I changed my charts because it's more, I can actually look at it now. Before, it was just so bright and I had to like go like this. But now I can actually see wicks and I can see everything. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Feels like Christmas for me, doing all that. Sorry, I'm distracted here. Let's get fucking back to it. I always find these little small dojis. Whenever there's a bigger whenever that happens and there's a major candle, something happens. So we had 2 small dojis, major candle, fall, then we went up. But this is New York Open. Sorry, this is New York Open. You know, little candles up, fall. Little candles up, fall. Little candles, major push. I don't know. It just seems like those little dojis have something to do, something in common with each other. There's always some type of price action happening after. Yeah, but these here are the same. No, see, it's not really 100% to tell. So really we can wait for Monday and see what happens. Like, maybe we just play around in here. Maybe we play around in here, you know. But we know there's buying pressure now, because we're generating just a lot of buying pressure through this. So I can't see why we wouldn't come into here. We basically inverse this shit already, and then we can just come back up. Now, if that was to happen, okay, let me show you. If this was to happen, fuck off. If this was to happen, if price came down into here, then we would go down to the 15. I would take a 15-minute, you know, if there's a fair value gap and we tap into it and start going again, I'd take a trade right here. And I would do this. Fuck. Literally, this would be my trade. That would be my trade. It's so quick and easy. Now, why would I take that trade? Because this is the next point of interest. This is the next, well, I guess here too, but we're in that right now. We've already pushed through that one. Yeah. Oh, fuck. This is the next point where price should draw towards, because that is a fair value gap. It's not a 15 fair value. Wow. It's not a 15-minute fair value gap. It's an hourly one. Is it even a fucking fair value gap? Hold on here. Yeah, it is. It is. So that's what I'm thinking. Price to come back down, tap into here again, and then we get price here. We go off. Actually, I'd probably do this. Still be a 2.4. But that's the trade we would take. Because that's where price might go. Maybe I wouldn't put it up here. I'd put it here. Still, 1-to-2 ratio. Still crazy, I think. Wow. Pretty cool that shit works. And I'm starting to learn a lot where price wants to go. Like today, it's pretty cool actually what happened today. We could see there was a lot of rejection, like a ton. We get that news closure. Then we just got reject. Sorry. We just got a rejection here, 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 here. A lot of people probably took that trade, took that short. Maybe. I don't know. I was about to, and I'm not a good trader yet, but you know what I'm saying. So yeah, now we just wait for Monday. So I hope you hit your trade or didn't trade, but that's what went through my mind, and that's why I didn't take a trade today. So yeah, that being said, that's going to be all for tonight, and I'll see you on Monday. No, I'll see you tomorrow. And we'll do not a psychology video, but just like a chat, you know what I'm saying? Because we're getting better. I don't want to get into this fucking kind of chat right now, because time to go to bed. Time to go to sleep, and then we'll see what happens. So yeah, you have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, take care.